Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to refund AliExpress order. Open AliExpress application on your device and then go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and open My Orders section. Now we want to find exact order that you want to get your refund for and tap on it to open its details. It should look like this. So this is order details page, and you want to find a button Open Dispute and press it. This will redirect you to this dispute page. So now you should fill in this form. The first thing that you should do is pick one option out of two. So the first option will be refund only, in case when you want to keep your item and partially get your money back. And the second option, refund and return, in case when you want to send your item back and get full refund for that order. Next, you should select dispute reason. So tap on this arrow and this will expose a list of reasons. So simply select one. Next, you should enter refund amount. So enter full amount of that order if your item didn't arrive at all, and enter partial refund amount if your item came but it came damaged, wrong or fake. And next thing that you should do is specify why you're requesting your refund. So in this box you should explain your problem, explain your issue, recommend it in details. And last thing that you should do is upload your evidence. So upload some pics, videos, maybe screenshots, whatever that will prove your request. And do not forget to submit it by pressing submit button. So that's how you can refund your AliExpress order. I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.